What's the meaning of constructive? Constructive. Constructive.
Constructive. Constructive. The word constructive refers to something that is helpful or beneficial in building or improving something. It implies a positive attitude towards problem solving and the ability to provide solutions or suggestions. A constructive approach can lead to productive discussions and constructive criticism, ultimately resulting in improvements or progress towards a goal. In contrast, a destructive approach can contribute to further problems and hinder progress. Overall, being constructive is about contributing towards better outcomes and results.